Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the profile picture of your user account in Windows 11. So, in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is head on towards the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So, to head on to the settings, simply drag your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and once you will see the taskbar, simply right click onto this start button. So once you will right click, you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto the settings option and it will lead you to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Then under the settings, the next thing that you need to do is click onto this accounts tab on the left. So once you have clicked here, you can see this following interface. So this is my current user on which I am logged in into the computer. So you need to scroll down and you will see this option of your info, and just below the your info you can also see it is written profile pic photo. So that means you will also be able to change your profile photo from this very option. So simply click onto the your info, and under the your info you can see this adjust your photo, and you have two options. The first option is to take a photo right away, so this will open up your camera and you can take or capture a photograph right now. And then the another option is to choose a file. That means if you have any photograph that is already stored into your system, then you can simply use that particular photograph or picture to display. So if you want to go with the second option, simply click onto this browse file button right here. So once the browse file option has been clicked, it will open the file explorer. Then under the file explorer, you need to navigate to that particular photograph that you want to display. So for example, I want to display this particular photograph of a sunflower. So let me select this, and from here I can see this option of choose picture. So simply click onto this choose picture and just wait for this to update, and here you can see that the profile picture has been successfully updated for my user account in Windows 11. So that's how easily you can switch or change the profile picture of your user accounts in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.